Hey Tribers, Anna Willis here. I'm going to do this live because I don't do well with pre-recorded videos. So I want to quickly, in less than 1 minute, they asked me to share what Tribe has done for me. So long story short, I think you guys have read some of my posts and know the hardships, the financial hardships and everything else that we've been going through for years since we came to Canada years ago. Has been a difficult road for us. Then last year, when we were in the peak of growing our business, I lost a baby, went through 13 weeks of complications. 5 times I was hospitalized, and I just wanted to quit. I just wanted to give up everything, but I knew I had to press on and persevere. And as I started to grow stronger this year, I knew since last year I was supposed to take Tribe. I knew since last year that this was the year I had to take it. So as I grew stronger, I knew Tribe was the right thing to do, and I needed to launch a membership. But before I launched my membership, I decided I was going to do my very first online conference this year. I love bringing other bloggers and bringing the whole homeschool community together. This is my niche. And I've done many online events before, but this was the biggest one ever. And that I felt completely like, I don't even know how I'm going to do this, but I did it. And it brought us over 1,300 paid attendees. And I knew that it was the right time to launch my founding members offer, to share my founding members offer. So on the 4th day of my 5-day conference, I sent out an email. I shared my founding members offer with them. And long story short, we got 127 founding members for my membership. I cannot begin to tell you guys what this means to me and my family, because we were deeply in debt, and our dream was to be completely debt-free this year. And I'm sorry, I gotta cry a little bit, because today I paid off all of our credit cards, and I paid off our line of credit. And I still can't believe that Tribe did this for us. I still cannot believe that everything that was so hard for us to do in so many years, struggling financially, was just gone in less than a week. Just less than a week. You guys, I did exactly what Stu taught us to do. I followed everything. Don't try to come up with your own strategies. Do the proven ones, do the right ones. And I can say to you that we have all of our credit cards paid for, our line of credit paid for in less than a week. And I haven't done my official launch yet. It's going to happen at the end of the month. And guess what? I know I'm going to pay off the last bit of our debt, which is a small loan we have. And we're going to be completely debt free. We're going to, it's just unreal, guys. It's just unreal. We're going to start our membership completely debt free with a recurring revenue. And if you guys noticed, I live in an RV, which is part of our dream. And we're taking a trip throughout North America for 2 years with our children, ministering to families, ministering to moms. And we needed this recurring revenue to come in so we could do that. And now we can. Because all of our bills are paid. All of our debt is gone. And I know that that little bit of that loan is going to be gone at the end of the month. So this is what Tribe has done for me. I just want to encourage you guys, watch the videos. Do everything Stu tells you to do. But most of all, believe in what you're doing. Do something to change lives. Don't do something for the money. Do something to change lives, because in the midst of doing all of this and paying all of our bills, I was able to help a friend with $4,000 whose husband lost his job. And I was able to bring her in this month and helped me with the conference, and bless her. And as I gave and as I blessed and as I helped that family, listen, you guys, the blessings all came back to me. All came back to me. So persevere, believe in what you're doing. Do it to change lives. Follow what Tribe teaches you. Follow what Stu teaches you to do. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. He has done it already. He knows what it works. And the rewards are amazing. And maybe you had a founding members lunch that it fluked. I had one last year before Tribe that was absolutely horrendous. You know, you're not a failure. This is not the end. This is just the beginning. You know, those are learning opportunities that you are having. And I had my learning opportunities last year over and over again, believe it. Just continue to persevere and believe in yourself. You're not going to reap a harvest that you did not sow. So sow your seeds, water it carefully, nourish it, protect it, and you will have a harvest. You will have a harvest. I promise you. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Tribe. Thank you, Stu. You guys are amazing. You changed our lives. Thank you.